Hello everyone. The NMI Payment Integration in Odoo let you to accept an online payments through an NMI gateway. It supports and major cards and work with an Odoo website and invoicing. This makes a payment process easy, secure, and efficient for your business. Now, after installing our module, let's get into an website where in the configurations we can see an option for a payment providers. So in this we can see an option for NMI. Just I enable a test mode and where we can see where we need to add a token as well as the key. And in this we can add a messages for a pending message, done message, cancel message. So once the payment provider is created, now let's get into the website. Now we are in the website page. Let's get into the shop and let's add some product into the cart. Okay, adding the this product into the cart. Now let's get into the cart. Okay, so this is the product. Now let's do the checkout, and over here we need to select a payment method as the NMI, and then we can pay now by using this option. Now it will lead you to this page. Now it's loading. So we can see in a payment checkout page where we need to add a card number, expiry date, as well as the CVV. So once we fill all the information, let's click on and pay securely. So it will lead you to the page once the payment is done successfully. Now it's processing for the payment, it's validating, and then it is checking the payment. Now in this you can see once the payment is done, you can see the payment successful page, and it will lead you to the back end of the page where you can see a list of payments. So now in this you can see the order will be done. So let's get into the backend, and if you need to see the same orders where you can see an option to see all the orders, so this is what I said. So in this you can see a list of orders, so where you can see an NMI payment will be successfully from the website page. Now let's get into the backend. So for that we need to get into the orders, so where you can see the order, and also from the configuration where you can see the payment transactions. So this is the one which we have created. So where you can see the payment method and it will be linked with the sales order. We can see in customer details and provider where you can see the provider, payment method, and also along with the payment also can also be seen over here. In this it will be linked with the sales order where you can see the amount, date, memo, everything. Okay, so now let's get into the sales order. From the sales order where you can see the transaction will be done based by using an NMI. Okay, so this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.